He boasts that a member of the Constitution Defenders Forum, a grouping opposed to President Emmerson Mnangagwa's proposed tenure extension through a constitutional amendment, was abducted on Tuesday night, severely tortured, and later dumped in police cells, could alarm every Zimbabwean. Zandabida mashoko budanyu chinzi constitutional amendment, a long walk to freedom. Mashoko arikuda panguva chinzi this was a signal. Tarisa a member of the Constitution Defenders Forum zvakaitiwa. Vamwe vangada kuzoopposa the constitutional amendments. Panguva inoi muchazopera mavakupi. Zandabida mashoko in brief amudanyu panguva inoi pa subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tipina pana pa Newsday amudanyu trambira chete. The gulf between what is written in the Constitution and what is practiced on the ground remains painfully wide. Torturing someone in this day and age simply because they disagree with the political proposition belongs to a darker era, one we claim to have left behind. It belongs to the Stone Age of governance, not to a modern constitutional democracy. Debate over constitutional amendments should be exactly that, a debate. Citizens are entitled to support or oppose changes to the supreme law without fear of abduction or assault. If a leadership is confident in its position, it persuades, it does not persecute. It is particularly troubling that Zimbabwe is not a party to the United Nations Convention Against Torture and other cruel, inhuman, or degrading treatment or punishment. Instead, allegations of abduction and torture continue to surface whenever political tensions rise. Torture, or even the threat of abduction, must never be deployed as a tool to silence citizens. When violence becomes the language of political engagement, it reveals weakness, not strength. It suggests a leadership insecure about its ability to win arguments in free and fair contest of ideas. If the constitutional amendments are truly in the national interest, they should withstand scrutiny. Doma developments aripo muri Zimbabwe pamusoro aiwa pema-effects ekuopposa ma-amendments ezanupf. Pina kumesekesha pedu kuti mafungiro enyu muri kudiwa musati pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, catch it on the bell icon.